many form, for example, in the sales entry, okay, in the stock control, okay, stock control management, then you only need for the sales, invoice, order, okay, the profit, something like you want to keep it, that is a different forms. Then you can continue, you can make it that this menu type. Then click that one is display that. Right. Okay, then at the menu. Now you can see that now is there anything? This you can add the many form you want to add. Okay. Then you can see. Okay, if you click there's a form. But now we have the FRM sales. This is a new another form. Want to show that form. Okay, then you can design something because you want to show the difference. Okay, in your application as a okay, I can add the other forms. At new window form. Okay, new item. Then this come for the dialog box. This is a window form. On the select new items. Then FRM sales invoice. Okay, FRM invoice, FRM sales. That's another form. Now we have the 3 forms are there. This is the first main form. Okay, then if you click item, okay, the menu also you can add sales. Okay, next is the invoice. Okay, invoice. Okay, now you double click this one. Okay, already form is there. Okay, FRM sales dot show. Sorry, we want to create that form as a FRM form as a new form. FRM sales as a sales form. To new FRM sales. Okay, already object is there. We create that new and that things you want to sales dot show. Show method. Okay. Then other main menu strips is the invoice. Then here also you want to create. Already form is there. Want to create that as a FRM invoice as a invoice form equal new invoice. Sorry, FRM invoice. Now you create the new form, and after you want to open, that is the invoice dot show. Okay, now I run the program. Then click. Okay, only 2 buttons are there, I know. Okay, I didn't put anything for the invoice. This is the invoice. Okay, then you can work with this form and close it. Okay, now then you can see this is the, you can separate the form in 3. Separate form in 3. But sometimes want to use the common menu for the other forms also. Other form also. Then we can use for the parent-child form. Parent-child form. Now you can already, you clear. If you want to create a form, then you want to use, create a new object. That's a new keyword you want to need. The form, this form is a class. Then it's the object name equal new form. Then you can open that form, use the show method for object name dot show or show dialog. Then you can add that some form in your style. That form want to create, you open. Then you can use this. Then I add the, select the project. Okay, right click, add new item or window form, which form you want to need. Okay, you can add the class later. I told this, you can add the classes also later. We can see, want to add them many classes. Or this is a new window form. Then you can give the name of the form. Okay, usually already form 1 is there when we want to create for the form 2. Okay, then you can create, use the your own form name also. Okay, then I use the FRM order. FRM order is at the order form. Then you can design this order form for the, what are the attributes you want to keep it here. That's it. Then after later we add the main form. Design form 1 info. Okay, main form is here. Okay, there is that design. Okay, we can keep it that at the menu and click that menu item. That's the menu is the button. All menus are here is a button. You click this menu is display. This is a button. Okay, so that is a menu item. Then you can code that's a particular menu. What is that? Is a menu item click event. This is the menu item. This is the sales tooltip. Okay, tool strip menu item click. Then click event. You can, okay, anything you can write there. See, you can write there. Now this is the, and that. Now we come for that next one is the, this is the implement for the MDI child form. Well, okay, multiple document interface. MDI means multiple document interface. This application is an application in which we can view and work with the several documents at once, like the Visual Studio. Okay, we want to keep it that one document, like then we use for the MDI form, multiple document interface form, MDI child form. Okay, then MDI application have a feature of the MDI child form, and it very essential element of it. Okay, the parent and child relationship. The main advantage of the MDI form. Okay, what is the advantage? There's a child windows are easy to manage from the single parent. Okay, for now your parents keep it your everything's keeping for you. Okay, watch your things, everything. Without parent, now one is monitor for you. That's like here also is the manage, easy to manage. Child form are easy to manage from the single parent. The main form easy to manage. That's the way. That's the advantage. Second one is single menu and toolbar can be shared for other windows. Okay, that's a one menu, single menu and toolbar can share for other windows. Can be shared for other windows. The possibility to work with the multiple document in one window of the same application. Okay, we call for the one window. Others are child forms. Okay, closing the parent windows. The user close other child windows. Okay, if you close the parent window, automatically close for the child windows. Some application, if you close for the main windows, but other windows open. Okay, how to create that MDI form? MDI child form. Step to create. First one, select the form window. Now go to the form properties. There is the one property option is there. IS is MDI container property. Always the false. Then you can make for the true state. Select form window. Now go to the form properties. It is the one property is MDI container. Is MDI container property is true. Okay. Now all MDI child form by go into Solution Explorer, right click, project, select the new item and add the menu. Okay, and from there the menu, then you can add. First want to change, then after that. Then again want to make that as a particular form 2 as a child. Okay, a dialog box appear. Now select the window form, give that name form 2 and click the open button and new form name added is 2. Okay. After that, okay, click on the new menu item and generate the click event handler on it. Add the following code. Okay, declare for the child. The form 2 is a child. Then we can keep it as a form 2 as a child form, new form 2. That is the name of the objects of child form. Child form. Set the main form as a parent. Okay, which form is a form 1 is the main form as a MDI form is the parent. Then you can write this code child form. This is the object name dot MDI parent equal this. This means the current form. But the current form is a form 1. This means current form. Current form. Then like after that show the child form. Then you can open child form dot show. Okay, this is the way you can add the many child form in one parent form. Any child form and form. Now we can do it. Example. Okay, I use the new one. Okay, new project. Because same project also we can use it, but you also okay. First want to change these properties as I click the form, go to the form properties. Is this means here is container, MDI container, multiple document interface container. MDI container is always false. Now I change this true, that form color also going to change, that's a parent. This okay, it is a different type. Background also like okay, this is the parent form. The form 1 is the parent form. Then we can add the many form. Okay, one add window form. Okay, form 2 I didn't change the name. If you want like you can change the name to I want to add the another form also. So not enough sometime. Form 3. in the main forms. Main form, I want to add the one menu. Okay, there's a menu strip. Click here and drag here. Okay, select and drag here. Menu item. Okay, forms or file. Okay, then again I make for the same thing for the sales form and something like. Okay, sales or student course. Anything you can create a different application. There's a now you are following the degree program, then we can keep it our student information for information application, student, course, results, something like we can increase the exam, something we can increase them like, okay, the sales, invoice. Okay, I talk with the easy thing because if you go to the difficult thing, then you also difficult to understand. Therefore, okay, it's a salesman. If you click this, double click this salesman. Okay, first want to create that object here, form name, form 2. Okay, form 2 as a sales equal new form 2. Form 2. Okay, already we make for the that form 1 is the parent form, MDI form container. Form 2. Sorry, it's coming form 2. Okay, form 2 the sales. Okay, then we want to change this. What is the changes? Want to make for the child form. Okay, I didn't make the name for child name. That's the sales dot MDI parent equal this. MDI parent equal this. Then sales dot MDI parents equal this. This means there's a form 1. Okay, I write the coding in the form 1. You can see here the form 1 is the page. Yeah. Okay. Then want to open that form. Sales dot show method. Okay. If in other form 3 as invoice equal new form 3. Okay, now create that object and again want to set that this one also child form and invoice dot MDI parents. Sorry, this. Okay, this also child form. Then invoice dot show. Okay, now I want to run the program. Okay, I run that program. Now click this sales. Okay, now see, I cannot get it out in this container. Okay, previous one is the separate. You can separate for the form 1 to other form. Now is the parent form. That's all forms are inside that is the container. Okay. Then you can share with that is a menus or toolbar. It in this form source. This is the advantage. Like you can easily manage. Okay. There are advantages there. What's the advantages? Main advantage: child window are easy to manage from a single parent. For a single menu and toolbar can be shared for other windows. Okay, close the parents window. The user close other child windows automatically. Okay, this is the way you can. Now you want to close this one. The active form that close, depose. Then which this one you can add the following word: click menu item, generate the click event, and close form. Okay, you add that one, open form and close form. Then you can use. Okay, now you can add that one menu. Okay, what is that? Is we want to add that is a active MDA child dot depose. Which child is active? Then we want to close it. Now form design. Okay, add that is a open form. Okay, another one. You can open the form. I want to add the other form 3 or 4. Add another item. Add item. Add form 4 is okay. Okay, change the name. That's the example. Go to the design. Form. Sorry. Form 4 as a form. Okay, I mean for the new form, like new form equal new form 2 form 4 and want to act as the new form dot MDI parent equal this. I missed this. And show open new form dot open dot show me that. Show me that. Show me. Okay. Okay, I had the other menu. Want to close. Okay, close form like okay. Make this a close form. Okay, double click. Okay, now here this want to add this one. Active MDA child dispose. Then you can close. Which active MDA child here dot dispose. Activate active. Not activate, active. Okay, active. You see, active MDA child. That coming for that. Active. Active. Yeah, active MDA child dot depose. Okay, depose means close. Okay, now I run this program. Okay, sales invoice open form close. Now close the form 3 is the active child. Now it's a form 4 is active, then close. Which one is active? Then you can close. That close form menu. Okay, that's a code is there. Is the active MDA child or dispose. Then close that form. Active MDA child is closed. Okay, then we can arrange that forms also. Arrange the forms. Okay. Now we create the form first. But how to create the MDA form? Implement for that MDA form. Okay, that's a multiple document interface. The application is the MDA form, the visual form. Okay, MDA application has a feature of the MDA child form, and it very essential element of it. Okay, what is the advantage? You can easy to manage the other forms for the single parent to manage for the all forms. A single menu and toolbar can share for other windows. The possibility to work with the multiple document in one window of the same application. Okay, you can use to work. That's it. Now how to create? First want to change the properties. That's a window. Property as a is MDI container. Is always the false. Default is the false. Then you want to change for that's the state as a true. Is MDI container. Now add the MDA child form by going to the solution explorer. Then you can right click the project, add the new form and like. After that you want to add this form as a child. Then you want to create that new form, the form name as a child form as an object name. Then set the main form as a parent. This is the way main form is a parent. You can hear this child form as a child form. This is the main form as a form 1 is the main form as MDA parent. Also this. Then after show method is a showing them. Okay, this is the easy way. Okay. Then you want to close that active child form, then you can use this the active MDA child or dispose. Active MDA child form dispose and close it. You can arrange. Now I will add some additional menu item that will add to the function. You need to arrange the child form inside the parent form. Okay, you can arrange. That's the 4 type of arrangement is there. 4 types. Cascade, tile horizontal, tile vertical, arrange icon. Okay, then you can see here this arrange the cascade. Set the layout to cascade like that's a this layout MDI layout dot cascade. This layout MDI what is the style arrangement MDI layout dot cascade. Okay, this is the only that one statement, one line statement. This layout, this arrangement, the horizontal tile. If you have that's a arrange for the okay this horizontal line. Set the layout as the tile horizontal line. This also same both this dot layout MDI layout dot tile horizontal. Okay, this is the vertical. The vertically arranged. Or if you make for the many. Okay, I didn't put my video because that internet is everyone using the internet is slow. Okay, so most of the people are used for the internet. The fourth one is the eigenvalue. Okay, you can store in eigenvalues. Okay, if you add the eigen, then MD this to layout, MDA layout, arrange eigens. Arrange eigens. Okay. Now is the call for the show method. You can hide that things. Okay, hide method, you can hide that thing. Dispose is close. Okay. Now is the what is the difference? Hide and dispose. Call the hide method, hide the form, but leave for the form in memory. Okay, but dispose mean leave from the memory. Okay, remove from it is the memory, but this the form is open, but it's hidden. Okay, the memory keep it that form. But in here, dispose mean is to close the form. Close, remove from the memory. Okay, now we make the arrangement. Okay, we make that arrangement. Okay, same application I can use it. Okay, I made this here is arrange. Okay, arrange. Then at arrange. Cascade. Second one is the tile horizontal. Tile horizontal, tile vertical, tile vertical, and tile or not. What is that? Fourth one is the arrange. Okay, fourth. Arrange eigens. Arrange eigens. Sorry. Arrange. Okay, arrange eigens. Okay, now we double click this one. Okay, now that is the we want to add that form as this dot layout MDI. This dot layout MDI, then MDI layout dot hascade. Okay, this dot MDI layout MDI. This dot. This mean that form. Layout MDI. Okay, this dot layout MDI. We can use that the MDI dot layout dot hascade. MDI layout dot hascade. MDI DI layout. Okay, layout dot. Okay, this is a 4. Again, go to the menu, click, double click this horizontal, this dot MDI layout, sorry, layout MDI. Okay, bracket MDI layout dot horizontal. Okay, tile horizontal. vertical. This dot MDI, sorry, layout MDI. Layout MDI is MDI layout. Dot vertical. It's okay, vertical. Next one is the arrange icon. This dot layout MDI, bracket MDI layout dot icon, array icons. Okay, run this. Okay. First want to open some forms. Okay, arrange. Okay, arrange. Because equally 4, 4, 3, 3, 6, 6, and here 4. Okay, if you close one, again arrange. Now it's here horizontally arrange this one. Okay, I delete this one and arrange vertical. You see, vertically arrange. If you close, arrange horizontally this way. Okay, they are arranging horizontal. If 3 forms are there, arrange horizontal. Okay, this way. Arrange vertical. This way. Okay, you can see that's the arrangement also there. You can sometimes want to work with the 3 forms. Some, and then you can use this arrangement. Of eigen. That's why I didn't add the eigen. If you add the eigenwise, it is arranged. Okay. It's arranged hash key. This is the hash key. Okay. Then this is the, you can add the many forms and menu. Okay, this is the way we add the many form. Now you can see in the database system and programming, you are going to do the project. Now you want to add the many forms in a single container. That now you learn this one. Now you can start. Okay, before starting, you want to do that your project work. Okay, in your project work, first you want to create the database. Okay, design the database for the ER diagram and normalize your database. After that, you can start for the design interface and code. Same for this project also. This model project also. This our course, this visual programming, this also project is the assignment. Then like, okay, now you are free. Like, now you can start your project. Okay, end of this month, I want to evaluate. Okay, the 4th, I will inform. Better to create that. Okay, you can own your Mac. You can discuss. Everyone, you can. Okay, you mute your Mac. Okay, you will put that video. Okay, you can create a group. Already I mentioned is the maximum 5 or 6 members for one group and work with. Okay, I don't know the situation, but we can do the presentation in the online each one, everyone, you can participate. That is an online group live, do that project presentation. Then I will give the marks. Okay, the final exam we will see later. What is the decision? But that number of patients are increasing every day. I think it is impossible to open for this end of this month also in university, because now is this time the corona is affected for the young people also. The previous we have mentioned for that is only old people is very careful like, but now is the child also affected this disease. Therefore, very careful. You can stay in home and do it. Okay, I will give the time to today. You can start the project practical and do it. What is the message? Okay, I will share this one. Okay. Already I share for that in classes all everything. Okay, I will share with that. Maybe one. Okay. Chat. Only chat. I only go to that in from me. Okay, just stop sharing. Okay, I will share with that. Thing. Okay, don't leave it. Stop shares. Okay, now we can see the participants also. Chat. To software. I want to share with the old one. How to make the tall. Profile chat. But I can share with the profile itself. Even okay. Like this. Share file. Okay, I will send that file in the Google in Gmail. Chat one, everyone participate can. But impossible to. For me, share with. Share this file. It's okay. Information, live to change reaction. Okay. This meeting is there. Wait. So please share an email, because there is an option in the share file. Chat is there, because yesterday I had some problem for open that starting meeting for that my own private ID. Therefore, is that ID is create for the randomly. Okay, I will send that. Okay, not possible. Okay, thank you, students. I end with this one. Then next class we can start for the error handling. Okay, that was a little big chapter. Okay, next week we'll start for the error handling. Anyway, that our head of the department, and then head of the department and dean also asked for the number of attendance. Okay, the attendance is important. Like I want to give for the attendance next time. You want to connect to your registration number. Then I can count how many participants is there. Okay, who are the participants here? Like I can make it this the attendant. Okay, they ask for the attendant to me. Then I can get a screenshot for the all numbers and I will send it to them. These are the attendant people. Okay, then next time I inform to your friends to join. Okay, you didn't talk with anything for the project. You had the you unmute and talk for your project, because 40% marks you can gain if you do a good project. Then at least you can get the more than 35 marks out of 40. But you have the friends, you can communicate with them and start your project. There's a group project. End of this month, we can evaluate. Okay, Suren, thank you very much. Okay, now I end with that meeting.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, next time I will send.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next class I will send the link.